In today's video, let's talk about how to use Indeed Company Reviews. Company Reviews on Indeed provides real-time feedback from current or former employees about what it's actually like to work in a certain company. In order to look at the company reviews, you just need to open up and log into your account and head over to the company review section. This way you can select either by industry, or you can also take a look at the popular companies. Or what you can also do is, if you're trying to look at the reviews of a certain company, you can search for it by the name or the job title. Now what you need to look for inside of company reviews is the overall rating and how many people have rated the company. See specific categories like work-life balance, pay, benefits, or something relating to your job or relating to your job benefits. Also look at the reviews that you'll find on the bottom of this page. You can see the review section where you can take a look at real-time reviews from people that have previously worked or are currently working. You can prioritize recent reviews. They reflect the current state of the company. Apart from the reviews, if you scroll up, you can take a look at what the company is about, the CEO or the founding member of the company, and job titles and locations that they provide in. You can take a look at the salaries as well as the overall rating. The ratings can be based on work-life balance, compensation, benefits, management, and etc. So by using the section of company reviews inside of Indeed, it will help you to carefully pick the job and avoid bad work situations and find jobs where work culture matches your value. So that's all there is for this video. That's the way that you use the company review section in Indeed. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.